Most TIG welders found on Amazon are cheap imports that lack the arc stability needed for professional quality beads. Choose the wrong machine and you will be stuck with constant tungsten contamination and wasted expensive shielding gas. Are you struggling to find a reliable TIG welder that delivers precise control for your specific welding projects? Rest assured that we have researched the top performers to solve this problem for you. Today, I'm going to be going over the best TIG welder that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the TOOLIOM 135A. This versatile welding machine is perfect for home DIY enthusiasts who need a reliable tool for various light-duty repair projects. It provides a user-friendly entry point for beginners who want to master both stick and lift TIG welding techniques efficiently. The kit includes essential accessories like the lift TIG torch, welding rods, and protective gloves to get you started immediately. The compact design features a very convenient adjustable shoulder strap, which makes transporting the unit between different job sites quite effortless. Constructed with a rugged outer shell, this device offers impressive durability while remaining lightweight enough for frequent movement around your workshop. You can easily power this machine using any standard 110-volt household electrical outlet without special wiring. The intelligent liquid crystal display provides crystal clear visibility of your welding data, surpassing many traditional analog readouts found on competitors. Integrated features like adjustable hot start and arc force ensure that striking the arc remains consistent and prevents annoying electrode sticking. The advanced technology helps maintain a stable arc output for high-quality welds even when you are working on thinner metals. Performance is remarkably smooth because the specialized welding functions allow for precise control over the heat input during your welding tasks. This machine feels much more intuitive during setup than the bulky Lincoln Electric K26951 welder we previously tested here. The pros include dual functionality, intelligent LCD screen, and portable design. The cons include limited power output and included accessories wear. At number 4, we have the YESWELDER TIG-205P. This versatile machine is perfectly designed for beginner welders who require professional functionality at a very accessible price point. The industrial appearance signals a serious tool that fits seamlessly into any home garage or small professional fabrication shop. Its chassis is constructed from high-grade steel that offers excellent protection for all the internal components during daily operations. The compact design measures roughly 15 inches in length, which allows for convenient storage on most standard welding work carts. A robust handle provides a secure grip, making it simple to transport the unit between different job sites quickly. The front control panel includes a high-definition digital display that clearly shows amperage settings for precise and consistent welding work. This model supports dual voltage capability, allowing users to toggle between 110 and 220 volts. The pulse frequency can be adjusted up to 200 Hz to help manage heat input on thinner metal projects. During testing, the arc start performance proved exceptionally smooth and reliable even when working with difficult stainless steel welding alloys. It maintains a very stable arc throughout the entire process, which significantly reduces the amount of post-weld cleanup required later. This machine performs much better than the basic Hobart welder when it comes to providing advanced pulse features for users. The pros include dual voltage input, advanced pulse features, and high arc stability. The cons include short power cables and plastic dial knobs. At number 3, we have the YESWELDER 135A MIG Welder. This powerful machine serves as the perfect entry point for hobbyists looking to master professional-grade welding techniques at home. You will find that the setup process remains intuitive enough for beginners while offering plenty of utility for experienced metal workers. The sturdy steel frame provides a rugged aesthetic that communicates industrial reliability while maintaining a relatively compact footprint for small workshops. Its dimensions measure exactly 15 inches in length by 8 inches in width and 10 inches in height for portability. The lightweight design allows a single operator to move the equipment between different stations without requiring any assistance from another person. This welder delivers a maximum power output of 135 amps for tackling various metal thicknesses with high precision. An integrated wire feed speed control dial gives users the ability to fine-tune their settings for cleaner and more consistent welds. The thermal overload protection system prevents the internal components from overheating during those long and strenuous welding sessions in the garage. Real-world testing reveals that the arc remains remarkably stable even when working on slightly rusted or painted surfaces during your projects. Users will appreciate how quickly the machine achieves a deep penetration on thin steel plates without burning through the metal surface itself. The overall efficiency of the duty cycle outperforms the standard Hobart Handler 140 model in consistent long-duration weld runs. The pros include excellent arc stability, lightweight portability, and simple setup process. The cons include short ground cable and limited duty cycle. At number 2, we have the ESAB 070050000000. This impressive professional welding machine is designed for experienced fabricators who demand precision and reliability in their daily work. The unit targets industrial environments where consistent high-quality welds are required for critical projects across various metal types and thicknesses. Constructed from industrial-grade heavy-duty steel, the casing provides exceptional protection against the harsh conditions typically found in busy professional workshops. Its ergonomic design ensures that all primary control knobs are within easy reach during complex tasks that require quick adjustments. The dimensions are compact enough to save space while still housing sophisticated internal components for maintaining a stable welding arc. This welder operates with a high-frequency start feature that allows for effortless arc initiation without contaminating the tungsten tip. It features an advanced pulse setting that enables users to manage heat input accurately when working on thin or delicate materials. The digital display screen shows precise voltage and amperage settings so you can replicate specific welding parameters for recurring jobs. During our rigorous testing phase, the arc stability remained perfectly consistent even when pushing the unit to its power limits. The cooling system effectively manages internal temperatures to prevent overheating during long, continuous production runs in demanding warehouse or shop settings. This model offers significantly better arc control and easier setup procedures than the competing Miller Syncrowave 210. The pros include superior arc stability, intuitive digital interface, and extremely durable construction. The cons include premium price point and limited included accessories. At number 1, we have the ANDELI MIG Welder. This impressive machine is designed for both beginner hobbyists and seasoned professionals who demand high performance during complex welding tasks. It serves as the ideal centerpiece for any home workshop because it handles multiple welding processes with remarkable precision and ease. The outer casing features a robust metal chassis that provides excellent protection against the harsh conditions of a busy garage. Its dimensions measure approximately 18 inches in length, making it a space-saving solution for crowded workspaces with limited surface area. The integrated control panel uses a digital display that allows users to adjust voltage and wire speed with extreme accuracy. It supports a versatile dual voltage input range, which allows you to operate the unit from standard household electrical outlets effortlessly. This advanced system includes a synergic adjustment feature that automatically matches wire feed speed to your chosen current settings perfectly. During our testing, the arc ignition was consistently smooth and stable even when working with thinner gauge metals and intricate joints. The cooling fan operates quietly while providing sufficient airflow to prevent overheating during long sessions of continuous metal fabrication and welding. Operators will appreciate the ergonomic torch handle that reduces physical fatigue during long periods of intense and repetitive welding project work. This model outperforms the Miller Multimatic 215 in terms of overall user-friendliness and total startup setup time. The pros include synergic control, dual voltage, and durable construction. The cons include heavy weight and limited manual.